December 2022, Lincoln, Alabama. Over 1,500 associates celebrate all-new Honda Pilot SUV and engine built in Lincoln, Alabama. Largest and most powerful SUV in Honda history required substantial production changes. Rugged Pilot TrailSport model has unique features that add to manufacturing complexity. 2023 Honda Pilot is built on a new platform, with an all-new engine and other new features. Associates at the Honda Alabama Auto Plant, AAP, today celebrated the start of mass production of the all-new 2023 Honda Pilot, which includes the Pilot TrailSport, the most off-road capable Honda SUV ever. To build the fourth-generation Pilot lineup, the largest and most powerful SUV in Honda history, AAP associates were challenged with the most changes of any Honda Pilot since the first model was introduced in 2003. AAP is the exclusive global production source for the Pilot and Pilot TrailSport, continuing the 40-year legacy of Honda's commitment to build products close to the customer. Since 2006, Honda has produced more than 2 million Pilots in the U.S. The all-new Pilot lineup was designed at the Honda Design Studio in California and developed by Honda R&D engineers at the company's North American Automotive Development Center in Raymond, Ohio. The all-new Honda Pilot is an incredible product that required the determined efforts of each and every associate at the Alabama Auto Plant, and I am proud of how our team overcame numerous challenges to create new value for our customers, said Lamar Whitaker, plant lead, AAP.
Thank you for watching this video presented by Cars and SUVs. If you enjoyed it, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, take a look at our video suggestions or what is up next.